Hello, my friends. I talk to you about the Colombian traditions. Uh, I begin with the Barranquilla Carnival or Carnaval de Barranquilla. The Saturday before Ash Wednesday begin this festivity that dates back to the 19th century in that for 4 days offers parade of comparsas, typical dances, Colombian gastronomy, concerts by local and international artists, as well as contests. The event consists of several stages, among which we mention the Battle of the Flowers, the Great Parade, the Festival of Orchestras, and the Joselito Burial. The latter is the moment in which the carnival is symbolically mourned and buried in an act representing the end of the party. The Barranquilla Carnival is a large-scale folkloric activity for the entire country. Its cultural significance is such that the Colombian Congress named it National Cultural Heritage in 2001, and UNESCO did the same in 2003 by declaring it a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. I continue with other tradition, other Colombian tradition. Uh, is named Carnival of Blacks and Whites. The city of San Juan de Pasto in southwestern Colombia is the meeting place for the celebration of this particular carnival, held every year from December 28 to January 7. The Carnival of Blacks and Whites begins its activities on April Fool's Day with the Weather Carnival, in which everyone plays to get wet and surprise the most unexpected one who walks through to soak it from head to toe. These activities continue on December 31 with the Old Year Parade, in which troops run through the streets satirizing current characters. This day culminates with the burning of dolls made with old clothes and rags, placed in front of houses or public places, as a symbol of the year that is ending. The last 2 days of the carnival are the most popular and those that live up to the name of the event. One on February 5, attendants wear black makeup to honor African heritage, and the next day they paint white to represent European descent. The Carnival of Blacks and Whites is a call to the union of the races. In 2002, it was declared by UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage of humanity. In the last other tradition, other Colombian tradition we have in Colombia is the flower fair. Medellin is considered the city of eternal spring. The reason is because every August, when the emblematic flower fair is held, the beauty of Colombian flowers and the creativity of these people are exposed. The flower fair began in 1957, but its origin dates back to the annual exhibition of flowers and vegetables held in 1906. The Silleteros Parade is one of the central acts of this activity. Master craftsmen work carrying their creation of their backs. The popular silletas, structures covered with flowers that can weigh up to 70 pounds, 70 kilos. Other activities include the classic and vintage car parade and the National Trova Festival. Okay, my friends, that's some uh, traditions Colombian we uh, have in the beautiful country, and I spent uh, I spent that we enjoy them. See you later.